Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Sign into the account that owns the disabled app, then open device settings to view app details and permissions. Once done, check storage and battery so updates can complete. Make sure network access is stable. If the platform offers diagnostic logs or developer options, enable them now to capture error codes. This establishes the data you need to request reinstatement or apply fixes without wasting time on. Next, focus on the middle, more complex steps. Diagnose the cause and apply targeted fixes. You read error codes and app logs to determine whether a policy violation, crash, or corruption triggered the disable. Then you take corrective actions. Clear cache and data, revoke and regrant permissions, and install the latest compatible update. If an update caused the problem, roll back or sideload a stable release. Once done, test the app thoroughly to confirm the specific fix resolved the failure mode. Finally, complete restoration and verification. If the app remains disabled by a provider, submit an appeal with clear logs, screenshots, and a chronology of fixes you applied. Once access is restored, run a full functionality test and monitor for 48 to 72 hours for regressions. Make sure to backup settings and set up automated error reporting. If things go wrong, try safe mode, test with an alternate account, or escalate to platform support with collected evidence. This usually resolves lingering lockouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.